Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to send phone number in eBay message. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your eBay and then go to the seller hub. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply go to my eBay on the top right corner of the screen and then click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be sent to my eBay summary, right? And under it, you'll be seeing these three options: activity, messages, and account. Simply click on account. And once you click on account, scroll down and you'll find selling category, and under it you'll find option that says manage communication with buyers. Simply click on it, and once you click on that, here you'll be sent to manage communication with buyers. Here you can the options like buyer wins auction, buyer checks out, and then all is updating with shipping information such as this. All you gotta do is just check it out, and then once you're done with that, scroll down, and here under what your buyers can do, you'll find an option that says edit. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be sent to manage your Q&A for buyers. Now here you can choose include a message at checkout when they pay, and you can choose send you messages on eBay while they are shopping. And once you do that, here you can select this option that says share your phone number as well. Simply click on it, then enter in your phone number, and once you have done with that, here you can have an option to only show this info after a purchase or show this info both before and after the purchase. And once you do that, here you can see answers to your FAQs too. And once you are done with all that, scroll down and tap on submit, and that's basically how to send phone number in eBay message. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.